that we have made a lot of progress in moving forward, in improving the status of women in Pakistan, of girls in Pakistan. But of course, like anywhere else in the world, we have a long road ahead as well. And that is the challenge that we have to confront. Pakistan firmly believes that we cannot achieve effective economic growth or sustainable development or even peace and prosperity without gender equality. So it is a national commitment of ours and certainly of our governments to move as quickly as we can towards achieving gender equality and a safe environment for women and girls in this country. We remain committed to this, and inshallah you will see every year there will be substantive progress. But again, I want to call on all the human rights or those who claim to uphold human rights to take note of the biases and the discriminatory approach towards upholding the rights of women, especially in the field of education and in work, because there cannot be any discrimination in standards applied in different parts of the world. If education is good for girls in our part of the world, education is good for girls in every other part of the world, regardless of what they wear. Dress should not be a definitive to whether you get access to education or you don't. Dress should not define whether you're able to work or you're not able to work. Wherever it is a universal standard that needs to be applied.